you'd agree that my job is not easy, right?
I mean, look pretty
probably not,
easy
right?
sitting down. I could do that all day.
Oh, okay. Right. We'll come back to you. No worries. Being, what do you say, flued out?
Yeah, she's being flued out.
Flued out.
All right, y'all, buckle up because this one is straight up wild. So we've got Jana and Monique, two women who brought a beautiful baby girl, Sage, into the world. Like responsible adults, they agreed on 50-50 custody, no child support, just equal parenting. Sounds fair, right? Well, Monique took that deal and ran straight to the airport. First-class flights, luxury vacations, living it up while Jana's back home doing the real work. After months of playing full-time mom with zero support, Jana's had enough. She's taking Monique to court demanding child support. But surprise, surprise, Monique wants no parts of that conversation. This right here is the reason why some of these so-called independent women are all about equality, until it's time to step up. But hey, let's not waste time. Let's get into this mess.
Listen, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Okay, so we're here today because we both have a child together and we both have split custody, but lately she has not been around. She has not been able to help me with the child. She's been doing her own thing and I need child
I've
support.
been working.
That's not an excuse. This is your child that you gave birth to,
Who
that
gonna
I
bring the money?
adopted, and I'm spending more
I
time
gotta
with her
pay
than
this
you are.
insurance. I got a lot to pay for. Help y'all out, take care of the baby. Just because I'm not around, that mean I'm bringing in the money.
When's the last time you helped us out?
I pay the insurance.
The baby gotta eat. The baby need clothes.
Did I need to leave? I mean, I have to be here because I'm working, but if you all needed to keep talking, I could just excuse myself. What did y'all want me to do?
I need help with getting child support because
Okay.
I'm not gonna do this with her.
So now that I can help you with, because the going back and forth and all of that, that's not going to help your case, okay? So I understand your frustration, and I do have the court order that you provided, and it looks like child support was not ordered because you all agreed to have split custody,
Right.
Did.
okay? So that's changed,
Yes.
all right? How often, like how long has this been going on?
For about 3 months now.
3 months?
My
Like,
job ain't easy.
neither is mine, obviously, right? You'd agree that my job is not easy, right?
I mean, look
probably
pretty
not,
easy
right?
sitting down. I could do that all day.
Oh, okay. Right. We'll come back to you. No worries. Now, she is working. You're having the child, I'm assuming almost 100% of the time?
Correct.
Okay. All right. You adopted the child?
Yes. I
Okay.
adopted the
How
child.
old is this child?
She's only 6.
6? What is her name?
Her name is Sage.
Sage. Oh, she sounds so cute.
She is.
Now, is there anything else you wanted me to know before I move over to her?
Her reasoning when I asked her why she isn't spending amount of time that she's supposed to, since we do have split custody, is she's working. But when I go on her Snapchat and her Instagram, she's being flued out and in Miami, but yet you don't have time to spend with your child.
Why you all on my social media anyways?
Ma'am, everybody is on your social media, okay? So let's not act like you don't know everybody is looking at social media.
Well,
And you being, what do you say, flued out?
Yeah, she's being flued out.
flew out for the week. No, I'm sorry. I be at work and it be a lot going on. Y'all know what I have to
So
deal
are
with
you
as a flight
working
attendant
when-
with all these crazy people on this
Okay, so
airplane.
are you being flued out with your job as a flight attendant, or are you doing other things that
I'm working
require
as
you
a
to be away
flight
from work?
attendant. I mean, sometimes, occasionally, I may have a little flued out.
Well, but wait. Monique did not show up to court empty-handed. Nope. Sis came locked and loaded with a whole list of excuses like she was fighting for her life. First, she swears she does contribute. Just because she's not physically there doesn't mean she isn't handling business. According to her, covering Sage's insurance is more than enough. But oh, it gets wilder. She turns to Judge W and actually says Jana has it easy because all she does is sit around all day. In front of the judge, like, girl, are you serious? That's when the drama really kicks in. Monique swears she's always working, but Jana? Oh, she came prepared. She pulls out receipts, Snapchat screenshots, Instagram stories, the whole digital trail. And guess what? Monique isn't out here grinding. She's getting flued out to Miami, popping bottles, living her best life, while somehow never finding time for her own daughter. Now, to be somewhat fair, Monique is a flight attendant, so yeah, sometimes she's actually working. But let's be real, it's looking way less like clocking in for shifts and way more like clocking in for VIP sections. Priorities? Completely out of order. Let's break this mess all the way down.
Most of the time I be working hard. I pay this $175 insurance. Like, at least I'm doing something. I do my part.
You pay a whole
$175.
$175 in health insurance. What do you want for that?
Baby could be on Medicaid, but
Oh, you know what? That is a good point, but that's beside the point. At the end of the day, this is both of you all's child, which means that Sage is both of you all's responsibility. And you are going to pay child support. Since, I'm just sitting up here, This is what I do. So how much money do you make a year? And make sure you're being honest, because I have your documents in front of me.
about $79,000.
I couldn't hear you.
About $79,000 a year.
$79,000 a year, and you want to be flued out and not give her anything for Sage? You came here to waste my time. I'm about to go ahead and read these numbers off to you so you can pay child support.
Child support?
Yes, ma'am. Child support. That's right.
I'm going to have to pay insurance too?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
need to?
Yes, ma'am. You're going to pay. Yes, ma'am. You're going to carry the health insurance and you are going to pay child support. So, based on your financial documents and what you just testified to, $79,000 a year for salary, that makes your gross $6,583, brings your net down to $5,157.12. All right. How many children? Just Sage? Sage is the
Just
only
Sage.
child? Okay.
That I birthed for 9 months.
That you don't take care of?
You ain't carried for 9 months.
Excuse
You know
me.
what it is
Excuse
to carry a
me.
baby for 9
Okay,
months.
Because a dog had a baby, that don't make it the mother.
Excuse me. I'm talking. I believe I'm the judge. You all do not need to address each other. You have enough issues as it is, okay? So,
That's why we ain't
again,
together now.
I
That's
need
why I
you.
be cheating now.
I need you to pay attention
Girl.
since you like to be flued out and stuff. I need you to pay attention to these numbers as they fly your way, okay? So, $5,157.12 is your net. One child, they bring your child support obligation to $1,031.42. Well, let me go ahead and give you a credit for that $175 that you.
Thank you.
It's not going to be much, so don't thank me yet. It's not. So, let's see. I give you credit for the 175. 6583. Oh yeah, that didn't really help you out none. So, I mean, your child support obligation is still going to be close to what I just told you. So, $5,057.12, one child. Child support obligation is $1,011.
A month?
That's what I said.
$1,000?
Yes, ma'am.
That's the whole rent payment.
You got it.
That's what I'm saying. You got
I
it.
got it.
You got it. You being flued out.
Okay. Well, did you get what I just said? You
I
got that?
heard you.
Oh, okay. Is there anything further?
No.
All right. Did you have anything further?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. You all are dismissed.
Then, Judge V hit her with that. Congratulations, y'all, I lost it. That was the moment, pure comedy, pure chaos, but trust me, the drama didn't stop there. Judge Vonda laid down the law. Monique has to pay $1,011 a month in child support. And you would have thought she got sentenced to life the way she reacted. Shocked, stunned, betrayed. Like she wasn't out here dodging responsibilities while living the high life. Meanwhile, watching these two go at it? Better than reality TV. You cannot make this stuff up. The drama, the delusion, the back and forth, it was cinematic gold. But hey, that's a wrap on today's wild ride. If you love this kind of content, check out one of these videos right here. You don't want to miss it. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss a moment of the madness. Catch y'all in the next one.